So if I select this command and execute it again, I got this output. Here I have two employees. One employee has done the sale 10,000 and another employee has done the sale of 13,000. But I am interested in those employees who has done sales more than 10,000. So I cannot use the where condition now because where condition is applied on the table. So here I have to use the having condition. So here I will write having. Let's say I try to use total sales and I will use greater than 13,000, right? I am using a filter condition having and I am saying total sales because you see this is the alias name of the sum of amount. So I am writing total sales is greater than, I'm sorry, it should be 10,000. This is what I have written. Now you see this command will not work. So if I run this command, you see I got the error. It is saying this total sales column is invalid because having condition does not understand this alias name. So what you have to do, you have to put this sum of amount here. So you cannot use alias name in the having condition or in the where condition. You have to use the proper function name here in the having condition. So now if I run this command, this will work. So now I will explain you what is the difference between where condition and the having condition. So let's suppose I run these two commands, select star from insurance and another one is select employee ID count star sum of amount as total sales from insurance group by employee ID, and I execute it. So I have got two results set. Whenever I use the where condition, so where condition is applied on the original table. Where condition is applied on the original table, but the having condition is applied on the result set created after group by. So what will happen? First, the detailed data will be converted into summary data with the help of group by, and on this result set, if you want to apply further filter, then you have to use the having condition. So if suppose I am only interested in the pension plans of this table, so I will directly apply the filter condition. So here I will write where plan name is equal to, and I will drag and drop pension plan PP. So you see I have applied the filter, so this is the output which I have got. Now I am applying the group by condition on it. I want to find out sale of each employee for the pension plan. So what I will write here, I will write employee ID comma and let's say sum of amount as total group by employee ID. So now what will happen, this one will be grouped and it will give me total as 7,000 and 2 will give me the total of 5,000. So first I filter the original table and I got only those records which are related to pension plan, and after that I am applying the grouping condition. So if I execute this command now, so you see I have got only two records which is 7,000 and 5,000. Now further I am interested in only that data which has total sales more than 6,000 because this is a summary result set which is created after group by, and I want to apply the filter on that summary result set. So I have to use the having condition now. So I will write having, I cannot use this alias name, so I have to use the complete name. Sum of amount is greater than 6,000. So what will happen? Only one record will appear. So in this condition I have applied both where condition as well as having condition. Where is applied directly on the table and Having is applied on the result set created after the group by clause. So this is the difference between where and having.